Years never English lo.
Yes, sir. Yes, English.
Jankal is Jankal is better.
Jankal is better. అది మనం వెళ్ళి చూడాలన్నా
అయిపోయింది
ఇయర్స్ అయిపోయిందా
సీజన్ అయిపోయింది
రాసుకోవచ్చు చెప్పాలి కింద కింద
Good evening, everybody. Hello.
Good evening, sir.
Today morning onward, net is not working properly. Even now also. How is it? Signal wise?
Good morning, sir.
From morning, no classes are there in this section.
చిన్న వేసుకున్నా
What is the last one we are discussing?
No problem, sir.
Friction, sir.
That
Friction only.
static constant.
Mus and all.
Constant.
Last word is just read it.
Generally, mu k is
Okay, mus is less than mu k. Mus is greater than mu k. Am I right?
yes, sir.
That's the last line. Okay, right. How did you write yesterday's exam, man? Easy only.
Sir.
You got your marks?
Forever, sir. Forever.
Pardon? Hello? What, man? Forever? Hello?
Very hard, sir. Very, very hard.
Very hard. Huh? So what we should do, man? Tell. Shall I give easy paper?
No, sir.
How much you are getting?
Yes, sir.
Hmm? See, the amount of area and contact doesn't matter. So limiting frictional force is independent of the apparent. As long as normal reaction remains same. Understood this? It is independent of area. Normal reaction. It depends only on
Sir, can
why,
you
because
take a little bit left?
now is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Understood this?
Yes,
Now
sir.
here, while reading, it will be easy for you for getting the direction. How to get the direction of kinetic friction? See, suppose we have an example we take. This is one body, this is the ground. Now I want to, this is moving on the ground. You have to find velocity of wave with respect to ground. This is 5I. Okay, remember that frictional force will be this along I know. Okay, therefore force of friction. That means this is having a velocity like this, no? Therefore, on A, you have the force of friction along minus A. This is the force of kinetic friction. This is the force of kinetic friction on the ground. Equal and opposite, no? Agreed?
Agreed,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Because you see, velocity of ground with respect to A is velocity of ground minus velocity of A. This is nothing but 0. This is 5I. So this is 5 minus A. Therefore, velocity of ground relative to A is along what? Therefore, kinetic friction on ground is along what? Opposite to this. What are this? Clear?
Clear, sir.
So
Sir,
remember that.
sir,
Tell.
sir, can you solve our doubts questions, sir, that in the exam?
Let us see if I can allot time. Because again, this section will be already I have to complete the syllabus also, no?
Yes,
Because
sir.
SL40 used to clear doubt like this. Now everybody completes syllabus except mine. Sharma sir, everybody have completed. So now it has come to my headache. I don't know, the paper I gave was a simplest mode only, man. I don't know how we are missing. Anyhow, you post it, I'll see. Okay? And one
Take an
voice.
extra class.
Extra class, man. My classes are till night 10:30. It is running. And
Sir,
today another net I guess from morning onwards there is no net. This net is an alternative one. This is actually BSNL network connected through some other persons. I don't know how far it will support also. Is it clear now?
yes, sir, clear one, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear.
He just post that I'll see. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All our doubts only, total.
No, sir, not all, sir. A few questions doubt, sir.
Huh?
Few questions are doubt for me, sir.
I
Others are
post
doubt.
them. You post them like the other day I'll do it.
Yes, sir.
You got at least 60, 70 marks, huh? No.
No, sir.
Nobody got. Highest is how much, man? 50 or 60 or?
No, sir. We still
I
didn't get
don't
the
know,
marks,
sir.
sir.
Pardon?
We still didn't get the marks, sir.
Why that online only, no?
Yes, sir. Everyone's they will get each one, sir. Total will not get. We will get by Tuesday or Wednesday. Once sir will
Hmm.
post.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute.
Just for your finals you need, no? What we can do. Now I'll give you easy paper. Finals? That is the headache with physics. Problem is that one. Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir.
Finished?
Yes, sir.
So, for example, you are having in a block A moving on another block B. Agreed? So this is how much? 3A. Similarly, what is VBA? VB minus VA. 3I.
అకౌంట్ నెంబర్ పంపించలేదమ్మా సబ్మిట్ ఇలా ఉంది అది ఫుల్ క్లియర్గా కనబడి బీజీబీలో ఉంది దక్కన్ గ్రామీణ బ్యాంక్ ఉంది దానికి అకౌంట్ మరి ఏంటి ప్రాబ్లం ఏంటి
So here,
ఒకసారి పంపించండి ఒకసారి పంపించండి
so between A and B we found. Frictional force will be in which direction, man? Between A and B. VBA is which side? This side. So VAB is along I. Therefore, friction will be this side. Okay. And this will be, this is VBA this side now. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
the direction of, and this is the direction of opposite to that. Now suppose I need friction between B and ground. Which one I should find? B with respect to G. That is VB. So this is, therefore friction will be in which direction? It's along I know. Therefore friction force will be, and this is the frictional force on the ground. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood why I thought so many problems of relative velocity. It's a
Yes, sir.
continuous link will be there. Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir.
Fast. Jassim, how much you're getting, man? 50, 40 expected score. He's not there, huh?
Sir, you asked me, sir.
Yeah. How much you're expecting, man?
Sir, not that much, sir. Lower, sir.
40, 40, 30.
No, sir, lower, sir.
Why? What is the problem, Jassim?
Sir, I feel it is very hard, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, I feel it is very hard, sir.
MPC, yeah? Or only physics, sir?
Sir, physics, sir.
So shall we make it to mains only? We'll leave this advanced and all.
No, sir, no,
Only
sir.
physics are.
No, sir.
That's right. Shall we make it, 1 second.
Good afternoon, sir. Pawan Hotel, sir.
వచ్చేసాను.
Hello? Finished this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then you suggest what we should do for physics. One way is give easy paper. Second way is
You take
to,
extra classes, sir, if you have time.
no man, by extra classes, what is that you will get util? I will be doing what you will get util. And where is the time available? You have maths class. Now only nobody, 25 people are there, man. Look at the meeting strength.
Sir, leave those people, sir. They will not come.
Hmm? Only this is the total strength in all classes.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
So maths and all are easy only. Hmm. So next week you want physics easy paper.
No, sir.
Maths is easy because of that only, no? Now find out the frictional force on ABC. Draw the free body diagram separately. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
So A with respect to D is this. That means this should be the frictional force. Okay. Action. Similarly, if you check up that, you'll get this. Suppose we need VBC. And this is along what? Minus A. This is along B and C. Along minus A is velocity. Therefore, this should be, sorry. So this should be the, do you agree with this? Followed.
Follow, sir.
Sir, it should be FK1. No, sir, on B.
Okay, this is 10A with respect to ground. So there are three frictional forces that are acting because there are three surfaces now. One, two, three. You completed all the assignments, huh?
One by one doing, sir.
Hopefully, so you're completing assignment. You want paper C here. Why you are not doing, man? Basically,
We are doing, sir, assignment.
so many days, huh? So you're doing only for like limited time, huh? 1 hour like that per day.
We have other
I took
classes and other subjects also,
Sir,
sir.
I have to
other
do the
subjects.
assignment.
Other
Sorry, I
subjects,
have.
other subjects mean this will wash out. I'm warning you. Finally, this is the status before advanced is you'll just know maths and that. About those marks, that also you cannot do any wonders with two subjects. No, when you are feeling them easy, what I told man, spend more time with this. Haven't I told you long back? Hmm? Hello?
Yes, sir. You told, sir.
Always do the things which you feel more difficult, man. Then life will go easily. You are purchasing troubles for yourself now. See, anywhere you go, whatever you do, ultimately you should only do the assignment. Who will do? If I do, will you get anything? Tell. Whole assignment I'll solve. Any use is there in that? Hmm? Answer, man. No answer. What, Jasim?
Sir, nothing to say, sir.
No, and why? I told you to spend more time, no? Otherwise, it will be a problem for you. Which area I should? I'm making you do many problems. You know that in the class. I'm not rushing up also. I'm
Yes, sir.
keeping minimum pace.
Slow, sir. Very slow.
Again, you attend even Ames class also, man. Two times if you attend, you will see.
Yes, sir. Attending, sir.
Hmm?
Attending, sir. Attending both classes.
You attend both and spend more time with physics assignments. So over a period you may improve. Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir.
Complete fast.
Well done, sir.
Complete it? Now
Completed, sir.
you now you try this. Find out the frictional force on the between the surfaces of A, B, C. A with respect towards this, no?
చూస్తాను.
Do you agree with this? On this, B with respect to C is this set. So frictional force will be like this. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute.
హలో చెప్పండి. ఎక్కడ మేడం? లేదమ్మా.
See. Finish the upper one.
Yeah, I wanted to talk about it effects.
Completed?
Yes, sir.
So, like when I search for I use this query to search for any other
This is the plank,
non-linear,
this is the block. Okay? This is the block velocity, this is the plank velocity.
D,
Find the frictional force direction.
but I was not able to find anything other than manual, like for that in the local batteries, the bat amount. So that it is only for manual process we are processing that particular attribute pattern. So from the TV it looks that way, but in the code it looks very different. So that is what I'm looking for.
How to proceed? What we should do?
Relative velocity, sir. Vp minus
We are saying we have to write a test case where EDA is whether it is okay, yeah, okay. I will see. I have to see which field actually is what should be inputted in the field. And I will do it. So far there is no, I mean, in the production database, there are no, I mean, for BC and EDI, there are no such things like 47 attributes, or that is local data attribute for BC and so you are saying in future it may be happening, right? Yeah, yeah. Okay. Yes.
Remember,
yes, sir.
see, you want unit vector. What you should do? Vector by mod of that vector.
So the
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
hard reject, yeah. You mean hard reject? Yes, yes. Yeah. This project, no,
హలో అప్డేట్ చేశానమ్మా అయితే నేను అకౌంట్ నెంబర్ అయితే ఏం తప్పు లేదు కదా అయిన తర్వాత మళ్ళీ చేసి పెట్టాను మళ్ళీ ఒక 3 డేస్ రాకుండా అసలు
so that should be stored in nucleus or how it should be?
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
One doubt.
Tell.
Yes,
If they ask the frictional force between plant and block, we should take velocity of plant with respect to block.
the
Yes.
existing nucleus.
See, this I told first problem I started with that only, no? Why you hang the doubt now, man? Huh?
Okay, so there also the thing is the same, like the hard reject date, there is a hard reject date there. So that date
See,
and
this is what I have done. No? I showed everything.
Yes, sir.
That is what some defect is there for you people. Just to find relative velocity of A with respect to B. Fine. Opposite to that. Can I turn this?
1 minute.
Right now, yeah, I mean, I thought of doing the integration test, but like it's not integrated yet. The person, you said that will be done that I will. Yeah, and even in development pipeline, I think there is some problem.
Hello?
Done, sir.
Completed?
Yes, sir.
There's a force. Find the force of friction between them.
Yes, sir. Sir, 4.
Hmm?
4, sir. Answer.
See, even the force is acting here. Hmm.
Yes, yes. Yes.
Complete this.
Yes, sir.
What the answer? See, whatever may the force, don't bother about force. See only about this. Always we should take that only. Force doesn't play anything. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, force of friction will be opposite to this. This is block with respect to ground. No? So this is the force of friction. And this is the force of friction. Understood this?
Understood, sir.
Yes.
Sir, if the force is applied in the same direction also, it has the kinetic friction will not have any effect.
Pardon?
Sir, if force is applied in the same direction of
Here,
velocity,
any
it will also not.
whatever. No, man, read this. Why you make your own physics, man? Olympiad student, this is.
No, sir.
What independent of F I told. In any direction it may be applied. Now I cannot show all any direction. Okay? Nothing to
Yes,
do.
sir.
Followed this?
Yes, sir.
Followed, sir.
Completed, sir.
Yeah.
Shall I go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Now all this is what? Direction of which one?
Kinetic friction.
Kinetic friction.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are discussing about that. I made a doubt
First thing is,
for that. Yeah, yeah. Actually, I have a doubt. Like, I talked to the processing team. So, in processing team, there is a Naman system who work on similar thing to that. Like, it's like it's named some project Freon or something, which is also a replacement to the existing yes. So, is there like it is built for whole BPS or is it built only for passing? I'm not sure about that. So they did have a discussion.
understood this?
Yeah, actually, couple gave me that.
Hello?
So
Yes,
I'm
sir.
not sure
Yes, sir.
whether it is currently under implementation or not. But I'll say, actually, couple shared me that thought. And shared it to me. So, this is the draft. This job was on May 19th.
Understood this?
So when I contacted
Yes,
them,
sir.
it was like, currently we are not working on that.
See, during static friction, there is no relative motion. You know that, I think, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute.
Yeah. Mhm. Like they have mentioned for like for one it is given as a chain only, and for the last one it's given as a topic. So
Shall I go ahead?
yeah, yeah, that's what I
Yes,
was.
sir.
Hello? You suppose this one surface
Mm, but
on which we are having one body like this. Okay. This body is subjected to two forces.
okay.
What is the direction of force of friction we need? Okay. I will just for visibility's sake, I am showing the block like this. This is the surface. That means the top view. When you look at from top, you'll view this or not.
Yes, sir.
Now you'll be
Yeah,
seeing that
currently it's not
this
given
is
as
15 newtons,
this dogma.
this is 20 newtons.
Ask about it.
So what I said, find the resultant of this. So suppose this is alpha. This resultant is parallel to the surfaces only, no? What is tan alpha mean?
Equivalent of theta.
Alpha is how much? 37 degrees. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that means force of friction will be in this direction, opposite to that. That means at 37 degrees like this. Force of static friction. Understood this? Clear?
Clear, sir.
Finished?
Finish, sir.
1 minute, sir.
Yeah.
Now, see, suppose this is A, this is another block B, this is F. Now you can see this is A, no? Direction of resultant force is this side only, no? So static friction should be opposite to this or not? Do you agree with this or not?
Yes, sir.
Now on this it will be this side, no? Action reaction, no? Do you agree with this? Hello.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, this B on B, the resultant force is this side. So frictional force should be opposite to that or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is the ground. Again, this is action, this is reaction. Equal and opposite, no? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear, sir.
Shall I turn this? Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Show the frictional forces.
Yeah, I mean, tomorrow, I can do that. I can discuss and I'll discuss with you until and then.
See, what we'll do? We'll show this. This is sir ground. This is A. And this is F. So we know the direction of F. Frictional force will be opposite to the resultant force, no? So
Yes,
this
sir.
is one frictional force. This is the other one. And this is action. This is reaction. So this is the reaction. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Find the direction of force of friction on this. Shall I do? Hello? Shall I do, man?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You want to show? Can you try?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
You try for 1 minute. I'll do.
Sorry,
What?
the frictional force will be acting backward. So backward.
See, this is F now. That means this is F1 friction.
Yes, sir.
This is F1. Now, because now consider B has this is resultant force for B, no?
Yes, sir.
Though it is a frictional force, it's called resultant force. So this is resultant force is right side. So the friction should be opposite. Now action, this is again
Yes,
reaction.
sir.
So the resultant force on C is right side. So this should be
Yes, sir.
understood this?
చెప్పండి.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Understood.
Right. You're saying you're understanding and the final exam you're not doing, huh?
డబ్బులు రాలేదా మరి ఎక్కువ వాళ్ళని అడగాలి బ్యాంక్ వాళ్ళని అడగాలి
Shall I turn this?
బ్యాంక్ వాళ్ళని నేనేం
Over?
చేయలేదు నేనైతే ఫార్వర్డ్ చేస్తాను సార్ బ్యాంక్ వాళ్ళని అడిగాను
Yes, sir.
Or sir.
Yes, sir.
అట్లా అయిందా
Show the force of friction. Try.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
We are doing.
Yes, sir.
See. This is B, F. Now you can see that resultant force on B is right side. So friction will be left side now. And this is C now.
Sir,
Sir,
screen is
where
stuck,
will
sir.
be
Your
stuck, sir?
Video is
Okay.
sir.
So
voice is also breaking, sir.
now we are able
No,
No, sir.
sir.
Your voice is breaking, sir.
Yes, sir. What is breaking, sir?
now how is it, man?
Good, sir.
Now, okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Now see. Do you understand what I wrote? This is F3, this is F3. Any doubt is there till here?
No doubt, sir.
No, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Find the force of friction between A, B, and C. సార్ మీకు పంపించాను అది ఇప్పుడు చేసా కదా సార్ మల్కాజ్గిరి అది
Done, sir.
స్పీడ్ చాలా తక్కువ వస్తుందని చెప్పాను కదా చూస్తూ ఉన్నారు చేయలేదు మాకు ఇక్కడ వర్క్ అయిపోయింది అందుకే హలో
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this? Hello? See, frictional force is this. This is F now. So this will be the frictional force now.
Yes, sir.
This is F2. So this is F2. When this tries to go, like this external force on this, no? Agreed. So this should be what? F3 now. So this will be F3. Any doubts are there?
No, sir. Sir, AIM students didn't have class today.
Pardon?
AIM student didn't have class today.
No, they have IP exams now. Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow you'll have in the morning only. Today this net problem has arisen, that's why.
Yes, sir.
We did not solve actually. I am going by alternative way. I don't know how far it will work out. Because of the pandemic, too much load is coming on this. Right, you have static friction, kinetic friction. Now let us see something called as rolling friction. See, whenever a body is rolling on this, on a surface, you can see that this is rotating like this, no? Now if you observe carefully at this point, if you look at this at microscopic level, you will be seeing that there is a small compression over here. The wheel or something, there will be a compression or not? Very slight one. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
When it is rotating, there will be a small compression. Because of compression, you can see that suppose this is a normal force like this. Now this normal force will be trying to opposite motion in this direction or not? It won't allow to move up. It won't allow to move up. So this is the opposition, no? This is the motion. Follow this or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
That means whenever a body rolls on another surface, there will be depression. One body will be depressed compared to the other. Due to the depression, there is an opposition. That opposition is called as rolling friction. See, in rolling friction, there is no surfaces that are sliding. Understood this? Clear?
Yes, sir.
So actually, this is not in your syllabus. Only you need to know is rolling friction, static friction, kinetic. Among all, minimum is this only. It won't be much value. That's why we ignore that. So we can say that when objects such as wheel, sphere, cylinder, understood there?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
See,
sir.
this rolling friction, we don't require this. Is actually mu r by r, where r is radius. So here you can see that's why when you want to transport something, you'll transport by wheels. You won't slide, no. Understood this? Is it clear or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now it's prayer time, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right, I can go then. Complete till here and go. Tomorrow, as usual, 9 o'clock. Okay? Hello?
Okay,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Take care. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.